Well, he said wait.
Probably gonna record me.
What?
Oh, he's got the GoPro camera. He probably wants to record me.
Record this app.
Yeah.
Record that.
Yeah, that's out of my league over there. I don't wanna. I think the truck might be too long, right?
Yeah.
No?
He made it.
Oh, that's where he went. He went around.
Yeah, he went down, he dropped down at the bottom, he took a left.
Oh, alright. I'll look at it right
I
now.
don't know where he just came up.
Cool. There you go. Oh my god, you see this, Claudia?
You looking forward?
Claudia, you looking forward?
Oh.
Can you see the bottom?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, this is like parachute.
See, Lonnie? Good, mommy.
You're fine, baby.
We're gonna roll. Oh my god! I better not play with the brakes. This is not the Superman drop.
It
Wait
says
till you.
Superman.
No, you will see the Superman drop.
It says
Are
right
we
here.
doing that one?
Yeah.
So then we're Lori's house.
We're right before it, yeah.
Whoa.
Where the hell he went that way?
Yeah. No, he dropped.
Where'd he go?
He went down there.
He did?
Oh yeah, because he came out through the middle. You did it, Lonnie. What is Superman? Yeah, it's there.
Superman drop.